Alrighty guys, I just got out here. I'm fishing Dunbar Creek, fly fishing only section. I think they stocked it a couple days ago, but I gotta be quick. I only got about an hour to fish. By the time I get off work, you ain't got time to do nothing. I can't wait till it starts getting dark at like 9. Have a little more time after work, but I'm gonna get my stuff on. I'm gonna head down here to the creek and fish as fast as possible and hope I can catch as many as possible. But I'll see you guys when we get to the creek. Just got out here and try to float this whole first. Just hooked up, guys. I thought I had my camera on, but I didn't. Looks like a pretty decent one. Man, he is feisty. What the shit? Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Take it. Oh, look at that son. Oh, that's a good one. It's one of the better trout I caught in this creek this year. The birdie one. The start on the wiggly worm. Oh man, he's pissed. Number one, boys, number one. Made a switch to the pink wiggly worm and nailed him. Got the calf fighter. Right up under this little, where the logs make a little waterfall there. Alright guys, I'm starting back up here. Got one. Man, what is that? Came on the Copper John. The Copper Johnny. Man, there's a better trout in here today. Looks like they stocked some better ones than they did for that first stocking. Alright boys, there she is. Another beautiful trout. Let him go. There you go, big girl. Tearing them up, boys. Tearing them up. Still Copper John. Oh, missed one, boys. Got one. Good one. Alright, boys. Second one of the day. Pairing them up. Oh. Pairing them up. What's that on? Copper drawn again? Come on, Casey, bring it in, quit playing with it. Man, they got some fight in it, man. Yeah, I'm fighting. I think he might took the worm, he did. Got him, boys. Worm. Tearing them up here in Fayette County. Been here for about 15 minutes and got 3 already. Man, there's a lot of difference between fishing these creeks and fishing them just regular stock creeks, man. These fly fishing sections only and these Keystone Selects, that's where it's at. Look at that trout. I'm gonna go ahead and get her back. There you go, baby. Thank you. Thank you very much. Wow, boys. Fun time. When you catch them like this. Fun times. 3 fish, 20 minutes, I'll take it. Alright, guys. Took me a quick 2-minute break and back at it. I mean, you can't feel them hitting it. They're just sitting there laying and letting it float into their mouth. You guys can see that rock right there. Oh, man, I about fell. That rock sticking out of the water. They're laying right alongside it. Missed one. I mean, it's like every cast, guys. Glad I came up. I wasn't going to because I didn't have much time, but man, I'm glad I did now. Still looking for that 2018 20-incher. I haven't caught one this year. Caught a lot of it, so I can't complain. Yep, it's a great day out here. And to everyone who don't fly fish, man, I'd highly recommend getting into it. It gives you more options to fish, like what different creeks, because some creeks are only for fly fish only here in PA. And it gives you options like, well, that's about the only option it gives you, but it's a lot funner, guys. Just give it a shot. I know you might think it's hard. I know that's what I always thought. Dude, I got a fish on there. Holy cow. How'd I get a fish? This is my 4th fish of the day. I thought I was snagged. Wow, guys. I mean, I'm lighting them up down here. This is 4th trout, and I've only been here 20 minutes. Looks like I might have foul hooked him. Ain't bad. First one of the day, I foul hooked, so can't bitch too much at me, guys. Come on, trying. Come on, peckerhead. Popped off one, son of a bitch. Played with him too long, guys. Played with him too long. Oh well. There's more out there. I was 4-0 if I'd have caught him. But we'll stick at 2. I think I caught him on the inside of this current. I was catching the rest of them on the outside. And I think I caught him on the inside. Got 3 tiny split shots on. They're in there. It's kind of crazy where these trout are laying. They're laying in like a foot of water. And they've been stocked for a couple of days, so I could see them doing that. All right, I'm gonna move down. I'm gonna move down. Sick of fishing that hole. Caught too many fish. That's a joke. No, I stepped probably a little too close to the hole because I was getting a snag out. So I probably got them spooky now, but we're gonna start where I started today and hit this hole a couple times, then I'm gonna move down. There should be tons of trout now. Alrighty guys, I just made it back to the Jeep. My GoPro ended up dying on me, and I ended up having a really probably one of the best fishing trips I had all year. I caught 7 of them. I think I got 4 or 5 on the GoPro, so you guys will be able to see them ones. But after it died, I ended up catching like 2 or 3 more. But it was a really good day. I was talking to a guy. He was telling me some stuff about some of the hatches up here and stuff, and said there ain't a lot of hatches in this creek. He's just saying the Yawk has a lot of hatches and some good hatches, so I might end up going up there and try some dry fly fishing. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. It was a good trip. I wish you guys could have got to see it all, but I'll be up here in the next couple days for sure. But if you guys like this, please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.